Today marks an important day for Samsung as they are on the verge of unveiling their latest lineup, the Galaxy S24 series. However, just before the grand reveal, we are treated to yet another unboxing video showcasing the Galaxy S24 Ultra. It's worth mentioning that we were already treated to 3 unboxing videos of the Galaxy S24 Ultra. And now, courtesy of Ice Universe, we have another unboxing video featuring the Galaxy S24, both as the S24 Plus and the S24 Ultra. In the video, we catch a glimpse of the stunning titanium violet variant of the Galaxy S24 Ultra, which undoubtedly captivates the eye. These videos also reveal that Samsung has made a design change for the Galaxy S24 Ultra, opting for a flat screen rather than the curved screens seen in previous iterations. Moving on, the Galaxy S24 Plus comes in a sleek marble gray color, and according to Ice Universe, this is the first time we get an actual look at the device. The design remains consistent with the renders we have already seen. Finally, the Galaxy S24 is presented in a classic black color. As the unboxing videos conclude, we're treated to some real-life photos showcasing the devices. One photo captures the Galaxy S24 Ultra in titanium violet, while the second image showcases S24 in an appealing amber yellow shade, S24 Plus in a non-titanium violet color, and S24 Ultra in titanium gray. It is undeniable that all of these devices exude beauty. Surprisingly, amidst the highly anticipated launch day for these top-of-the-line Android phones, the S24 and S24 Ultra made an unexpected appearance on an official Samsung website in the Caribbean, starting the day off with a bang. This was not intentional, especially with several hours remaining until the official Unpacked announcement event. Consequently, Samsung swiftly took action to remove the listings of these products. However, the ever-watchful internet managed to capture versions of the listings on Google, which still provide us with official images of the Galaxy S24 and S24 Ultra in 4 stunning colors. These images confirm what we have seen in promotional pictures over the past few weeks. It's reassuring to have official confirmation, even though it is likely that someone at Samsung made an error and may face repercussions for this accidental reveal. Lastly, here's an official marketing material revealing all the key features of the S24 Ultra. You can watch it here, and I'll see you there. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay informed about the latest tech trends, don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell. Your support keeps us bringing you the latest and greatest in the world of technology. Thank you for watching.